Welcome. In today's quick guide, we're going to show you how to turn off mention notifications in Dropbox so you can stay focused without unnecessary alerts. If you're tired of being tagged and pinged every time someone mentions you in a file or comment, this short tutorial will show you exactly how to stop it. Let's jump right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. You'll want to make sure you're signed into the account where you're getting those mention notifications. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon or the menu button, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage many of the app's preferences, including how and when Dropbox notifies you. Now, scroll down until you reach the Dropbox section of the Settings menu. You'll see an option labeled Manage Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the notification settings, you'll notice several toggles for different types of alerts, things like shared folder updates, comments, and mentions. To stop receiving alerts whenever someone mentions you, simply find the toggle labeled Mention Notifications and switch it off. When it's off, you'll no longer see notifications whenever someone tags your name in a comment or discussion, and that's it. You've successfully turned off mention notifications in Dropbox. From now on, you can focus on what matters most without those constant interruptions. Remember, you can always return to the same menu to turn mention notifications back on if you ever need them again. It's a quick process that gives you full control over how Dropbox communicates with you. Thanks for watching.